Welcome to this instructional video on how to register for MATSEC examinations. This video will help you navigate the registration process. To apply for MATSEC examinations, you need to have an EID. You can register for this through Identità. Candidates without an ID card can register at MATSEC by visiting our offices in person and paying an extra administrative charge. You may use any electronic device which has an internet connection to register, but if your application requires payment, you need to use a laptop or desktop computer. To register, go on our registration page and press Go to MATSEC portal. You will be transferred to our registration portal. On the right-hand side of the portal, there are two buttons. Press on EID Login and use your EID login information. Accept the sharing of information from EID to MATSEC in order to continue. If you are using the EID for the first time, you will be asked to activate two-factor authentication through the EID website. After you have completed this process with EID, go once again to the MATSEC portal and select EID Login again. Now that you are in the MATSEC portal, go to Apply under Register for SEC IM/AM exams. Your details will load automatically from your EID. Check that your personal details are correct and click Next. Your contact information will load automatically. Check this information, especially the address, email address, and contact number, and make changes where applicable. Contact Identità if any data in the grayed-out boxes is incorrect. MATSEC will be using this information whenever sending any communication, so it's important that it is correct. Emergency contact information is required. This is the person that MATSEC will reach out to if there is an emergency during the examination. You also have two checkboxes about the sharing of information. The last checkbox needs to be ticked in order to continue. Make sure you have read MATSEC's privacy policy. In this screen, you will choose whether you are a school or private candidate and the level of examinations that you will be registering for. School candidates must have finished the subject course at school so that a coursework or SBA mark may be submitted by the school. For other subjects, you should apply as a private candidate. On this page, you will also choose whether you will be sitting for your exams in Malta or in Gozo. You need to read and tick the statement related to examination access arrangements. By doing so, you confirm that if you need access arrangements, you need to apply for these separately by submitting required documents in the My Details section of the MATSEC portal. If you need to register for some subjects as a school candidate and for other subjects as a private candidate, or you need to register for some subjects at SEC level and others at matriculation level, or you want to sit for some examinations in Malta and others in Gozo, you need to submit separate applications. On the next screen, you will choose your subjects. Where applicable, you will also choose other subject information, like the paper option. Make sure that if you have chosen a school in the previous page, you only tick the subjects you actually study in that school. The school will be asked to provide a coursework or SBA mark for you, which will be 0 if you did not finish your course in that school. If you are a private candidate, you can retain past coursework or SBA marks. In this case, you will not be expected to resubmit coursework for matriculation subjects or to sit for paper 1 for SEC subjects. Check all the information shown in the Confirm page. If any piece of information is incorrect, now is your last chance to go back and change it before you submit your application. Otherwise, click Next. If you are submitting a late or very late application, which requires a payment, You will be directed to the payment gateway. Fill in the requested details and press on Submit Secure Payment. Do not use a mobile phone or tablet to submit a payment. Use a laptop or computer. Refresh the registration page to see the My Details option. Here you can view your subject registrations, personal details, and email history. You can edit some of your details and register for examination access arrangements if required. Your results will be published in this section. Should you need to make any amendments to your registrations once completed, you are to send an email to registrations.matsec@um.edu.mt from the email address you entered in Step 2. You will receive a confirmation email from registrations.matsec@um.edu.mt once any change is completed. That concludes our guide on how to register for MATSEC examinations. We hope this video guide to MATSEC registrations has been helpful. MATSEC wishes all students the best with their studies.